When Queequeg gets all the 100 leak barrels to the deck, they were very heavy, so at the end he gets illness. He became severely ill, and then a hammock was made for him. A hammock is a piece of cloth hung with one end and other end between two poles. So he was laying in a hammock, and he was unable to eat or sleep. He became very thin and very weak. His eyes were out of the sockets and his cheekbones poked out. Uh, One day he asked Ishmael to make a canoe. He told Ishmael that when somebody dies, people put the dead body in a wooden box, means a coffin. Then he informed Ishmael that when somebody dies on his island, his dead body is put in a canoe, and the canoe is let free to float on water. All the crew, when all the crew knew about this request of Queequeg, all the crew members protested. They said they believed that a coffin on board would bring a bad luck for the ship, but it was his desire, and he was respected by the captain and by all the crew members. So the carpenter took the measurement of his body and made the canoe. When the canoe was made, it was brought to the in front of the Queequeg. Queequeg observed the canoe from his hammock and nodded his head for approval. Then he got up with full force and he lay in the canoe. Then he asked Ishmael to bring his harpoon, a box of biscuits, and a bottle of water. Ishmael brought them all. Then again he asked Ishmael to bring Yojo, his idol, his wooden idol. Ishmael also brought the Yojo. He crossed his hands on his chest and hold Yojo in between his hands, and the harpoon, biscuits, and bottle of water he put with himself to the side. Ishmael started praying for him, but Ishmael said that he did not need my prayers because he recovered in days. And when he was recovered in days, then he got up from, when he recovered from in days, his color of the face came back, and he got strength. He got up from his canoe and started going below the deck. Ishmael followed him, and then in the afternoon, Queequeg was sharpening his harpoon, and then he had a strange idea when he was talking with Ishmael. To Ishmael, he said that if you have made up your mind to live, if you have made up your mind to live, so the illness cannot take you. Ishmael became surprised on this idea. He asked him whether it's your choice to live or to die. He said yes, but Ishmael shook his head in disbelief because he was a Christian, and he had the idea of death according to the Bible. So he shook his head with disbelief, and with this point, the chapter 7 finishes. If you have any ambiguity, then you can ask me through WhatsApp, through Zoom, and through voice messages, and inshallah I'll guide you. Thank you.